Hello again, my friends. Oh man, it's really summer here. Or 40 degrees Celsius. It's like oven. So I have my little fan in here. You see this little guy? Okay, let's put it on. It's better than nothing. Funny project. Today we have to fix something. This is a job for friends. You know my rule. I'll just do fixings, repairs, and so on for friends only. I'm not a professional. Today we have to take a look at this guy. It's a vacuum cleaner. Let's see what's happening. We have to start with checking if any life, better said, any sign of life in there. So you can see this is an Electrolux ErgoEasy. Here we are. SL241, okay, 241 hash, model ZTF7610EL, 1300 watts, 1.3 kilowatts. Okay, so it's pretty powerful, I may say. You know, there are rules now in European Union for the vacuum cleaner, not more than 800 watts or something. Yeah, that's a pretty powerful. Continuity mode. Nothing and nothing. Mega ohms, nothing at all. In this case we have two possibilities. If it's a mechanical switch and not an electronical something, a simple mechanical switch, and usually they are simple, it can be broke. And we can have a broken wire or connector or anything like that. Nothing to do but to start dismantling this guy. I should take this. How we take this out? Okay, that's the. Of course, a lot of dust in here, but we don't care about that. Two screws in the front. These are two Phillips or cross screws. Nothing fancy here, but you need a short screwdriver. Like always, a good idea is to have a plastic cap or something to have all the screws under control. Okay, so this is out. Can I take it out? Okay, so let's try to take these guys out, and we need a really long screwdriver. That's the longest one I could find. Let's see. Oh yeah, of course. Can we do it like that? Of course. Yeah. And this one, come to Papa. Okay, stay there. Any more screws around here? Nothing for now. Can we just take a... Oh yeah! Perfect. Okay, let's take this out. We got a filter, the output filter, which is definitively clogged with dust. And what about here? Any screws? No. So we should be able to take this out just like that. Of course. Beautiful. Yoo-hoo! And here we are, my good people. Let's check the cable. We should have something here. Nothing. One. This is good. And the next one should be here. So the long cable is fine. You see, I have one terminal here, which respond, and the second one should be here. Okay, let's push the switch, and nothing. The switch is fine. Very interesting. So, for now, nothing wrong there. Let's see these diodes. Good. Good. Nothing and nothing. Vice versa. Nothing, should be nothing. And good and good. Diodes are okay. Do we have any fuse? No. But we have this resistor here. That's a power resistor. which give me 21 kilo ohms. Yeah, that's true. The red something. This is good. What about this transistor? Good, good. So we got no short, nothing. What is this guy here? What is this guy saying? BTA16. Probably this is a triac of some sort. Let's take a look. Okay, yes, BTA16 GI something. Anyway, we'll take a look in a split of a second. Beautiful zooming with this Sony A6500. Beautiful camera. Thank you to my sponsor Radu. What can we do? What's the next step? I have to look for the motor, and for sure these two guys here, the blue ones, are going to the motor. Let's check for continuity here. And we have 5.1 ohms. That means that the motor is working. Let's take a... Okay, so what's the problem here? It's maybe the potentiometer. Let's check the potentiometer. So it's saying this one should have 220 kilo ohms. Okay, let's measure on mega ohms range. Okay, now, okay, so this is maximum now. It's 226 kilo ohms. I don't see any problem with this guy. No, not at all. So this guy is working. So what can be wrong? Maybe a loose contact or something? Because I don't think that triac or what's there, it's gone. And that's why I'm gonna take out the potentiometer and plug it into the electronic there. And let's have a test. Let's put it in the middle somehow and power on. We have to be really careful because it's live power here, so it's working. So I didn't know that. I didn't realize that it's nothing electronical here. My friend, they didn't told me what's wrong with this guy, but so far the electronic it's fine. I was pretty sure it's something related to contacts, all this electronic commander or something anyway. So after my opinion, the problem is the motor itself. That high pitch I'm listening, it's a kind of warning that the motor it's gone, and I'm pretty sure it's getting hot and disconnected. So probably that's the reason why they asked me to take a look. So the electronic it's out. At least we can take a look. Let's open up the motor case. It's nothing I can do anyway. Maybe you should check the carbons, the brushes. It's possible to problem like that. You see, the problem here is not time, because I have time. I have plenty of time, so I'm not worried about time. But I should check that from the beginning, if it's working or not. Or do we have sound, or is there any more screws there? Oh, no, it was just a clip. Okay, so here we have the motor. Oh my god, this is so wasted. Look at the rotor, can you see that? Oh, and it's really hot. You see the rotor in there? Bad shape, but I can give a try, at least to clean it a little. Come on out. Okay, so let's check the brushes. Let me see, how can I get the brushes out first? Oh yeah, like that. I believe nobody should fix this. It's one time only or something. Doesn't look like they have to be open. Plenty of brushes, plenty. That's not a problem, not at all. Okay, this is beautiful. What about this guy? Should be the same. No problemos with these guys. So probably this collector inside there, it's wasted. What can we do? I should try to measure this to see maybe it's a shorted coil. It's very possible. If I'm shorting it 0, 0. Okay, so we can take step by step, one by one. 0.5. I don't know how these are tight, but so far I don't see a clear short. 2.1. Okay, let me have the brushes back. Maybe I should clean them a little. You see what I have done? I just made this back in line somehow. Let's put this spring, this tips there. Okay, we are good. Yeah, looking good. Let's make this flat again. Okay, you see the shape here? Do you see the shape? Okay, this one here. So I'm trying to make it level again, and not only to get off the oxide or something developed, but to have a new contact, a new surface contact. Okay. Now it's back to linear, hopefully. Put it back. Yeah, good there. Good. And now we should try to see differences in 6.3, 6. No short so far. So this is good. Yeah, okay. Around 6 ohms. I don't see any short for now. How can I get in there to clean those guys? But I think I can use the Dremel. This one? Okay, let's try. Okay, so I have a brush. Let's see if I can get in there. Okay, it's looking like it's fine. Oh yeah. Aha, beautiful. That's enough. All right, a little bit of oil here. Of course, this will go in there as soon as the... Any difference? 1.1 ohms, 1.2. Okay, 5.5. You remember we had around 6. Now it's 5.3. We won 1 ohm. Just cleaning the collector, the rotor. Okay, I wish to be able to reach the other bearing, the front one, and to have a little oil there too. Let's see, maybe I can. The motor said it's 1600 watts, 1.6 kilowatts. Of course I can't, because I have to dismantle all that, and I don't want to touch that because it's a very sensitive area. You know that this suction turbine have those feathers, and like a propeller, it's dangerous to misalign one of those, because then it starts having all kind of crazy vibration. And by the way, look here on the motor, it's saying 1600 watts, class 12, 230 volts. So the motor, it's higher than the advertised power here. All right, let's try to put it back and let's give a run. It's something very wrong here, because this one is getting hot very easy. The rotor is good, it's looking good for now. Let's see the electronic. Okay, it's out of the mains, of course it is. Oh, this is not hot, that's okay. And it's moving freely. I don't know what to say. Doesn't have a play, if you know what I mean, so the bearings are okay. Doesn't sound like a bearing problem here. And it's really getting hot, very easy. It's too hot. What's wrong here? What can be wrong? Very hot. Okay, how can I take off the turbine? I should open this one. WD-40 for having this screw released. Let it work for a while. All right. Of course, lot of dust and what else? It's a vacuum cleaner. But look here. Oh yeah, I got it. I can see some broken feathers. All right, so we have missing parts. So I'm afraid that's the problem. Oh, okay, this is very clear. Let's clean it out. But it's funny how this all, this hair, how could get inside there? It's supposed to have filters. What the heck? I think the lady of the house just used it without filters or something. It's happening, You are in a hurry and you don't pay attention. Okay, so I believe it was this metal parts working like a kind of brake as soon as the centrifuge forces starts developing. What can we do? So we got one missing here, another one it's almost ready to get away. Not anymore. Okay, so the debris are out now. Let's clean this and put it back, and let's see how it's behaving now. Okay, this is good. Everything's fine here. All right, let's see. Okay, everything's clear. Let's power on. yeah. Okay, people, so I think it's a fix. The problem was with those debris from a broken feather. I don't know how long it will take until the next one is getting broke. But anyway, once the turbine is compromised, there's no turning back. So I'm afraid this motor it's doomed. It will work for a while. I'm not sure how long, depends. But you know, like a rule, keep the dust away. Keep the hair, keep the, I don't know, it was kind of textile or something inside there probably, and get blocked and smashed the aluminum feathers. Anyway, so yeah, it's okay, it sounds much better. It's quieter, of course, and I'll put it back and we'll see how it behaves for the next period, weeks, months, whatever. Okay, so that's it for today. I consider this a fix, and of course, like usual, don't forget please subscribe to my channel, push the like button, and of course have fun, and see you soon with some others. Bye bye.